I will change the trigger on this Smith & Wesson M&P Pro 9 with an Apex action trigger. I think this Smith & Wesson trigger has a terrible reset, and I hope the trigger pull and reset will be better with this Apex trigger. I removed the slide. And I removed the takedown level. Just turn it around and take it out. The trigger pin here and the roll pin have to be removed. The trigger pin is out, and the roll pin get knocked out with a 1/8 roll pin punch. And the roll pin is out. I take the lock block up. The lock block is out, and it has this little spring here. And I remove the slide lock. And the trigger and trigger bow. Come out there. The trigger spring I also remove. And the trigger bar sitting with this little pin here. So I knock this pin out here. I don't knock it out all the way, just like it is here on the Apex trigger. Take a small punch. And the trigger bar come out. The trigger bar. This one here point up, and the trigger bar go in and sit like this. So now I have to press in this pin here to catch the hold in the trigger bar. I put the trigger bar in and go in and line the hold up. Turn it around and knock the pin a little. And the pin is inside the hold, and I can knock it all away. And I finish here with the nylon punch. And the trigger bar is in, and I check it can move smoothly. The trigger spring has a big loop, and that's for the trigger pin. And the small loop here is for the trigger bar, and it has an opening up here, and this opening has to be up. Go in and put it in here, so it turned up. The Apex trigger comes with this helping pin. Put the slide lock on here. I'll take the helping pin, and the big loop have to come into the helping pin. put the trigger in and the trigger bar down to the sears. So it sits like this, and I put the little spring on the lock block, sit like this, and the lock block down in the frame. And to keep the lock block in place, I take the roll pin and put it in the trigger pin, the most tricky part to get in. And I can press the trigger pin in and the helping pin will come out. And I knock in the roll pin. In this side here, the roll pin sitting a little out on the takedown level. There are this little cut here, and that's for the roll pin. Takedown level, get in, just push it around. Sit like this, and the takedown level here got in and touched the roll pin. And I check the trigger bar, push down the seals, and I check the reset. And I also check the slide lock has the spring in tension. So everything is good. Put on the slide again. The take up, shorter, and the trigger pull, much more crispy, and reset, much better. Thank you for watching.